right. Relax.
We're not going that way.
Relax.
Okay.
Relax.
Let's just stop. Let's stop.
It's too late for that.
Just stop.
This is what's going to happen. They're going to detain you because we have
I didn't do anything.
On April 27th, 2024, Palm Beach officers responded to the Tideline Ocean Resort after reports of an intoxicated woman endangering her children and other guests at the pool. Multiple witnesses, multiple videos, 10 empty twisted tea cans in the hotel room. This is proof on record.
You're not free to leave. Do you have your ID on you?
Yeah, I do. But I said I'd leave.
Okay.
I didn't do anything.
Do you have your ID with you?
No, actually, I don't feel like. Get away from me. I know my rights.
Is everybody okay outside?
From me.
Can I even find
Get away from me. I know my fucking rights.
We need to take her outside. She's disturbing me. She's been doing this all. I apologize.
Is everybody okay outside?
Oh,
I know my rights.
We're going to be okay outside.
Is there any medical issues
I'm
out?
gonna go home. I'm leaving.
I find him.
Not right now, you're not.
Don't touch me. I don't.
Okay.
Don't need.
Is anyone out there injured?
My child. I have somebody.
Is anyone out there injured? Okay.
It's okay. I don't know where they went. They told me
I'm leaving.
You're not free to leave.
I'm not driving.
You're not leaving. Sit down and relax.
just try to go for this guy's tickets.
I know my rights.
Are you here by yourself?
Rights.
Ma'am, are you here by
yourself?
They're dealing with everything inside. I just want to let you know that I have a video.
Okay.
Just
You're a witness?
yes.
Okay, great.
One of several.
Okay. Would you
But the
mind?
only one that videoed.
Okay.
So
We'll definitely need that. Would you mind just hanging out in the lobby, or what room are you in?
I'm here. I'm actually not staying. I'm just hanging out here for the day.
Okay.
So
Okay. All right. Would you mind just waiting until my partners get here?
Just by the pool and we saw her.
Okay.
Very.
Okay.
You're stupid.
Be quiet.
You're stupid. I can be quiet all you want. But guess what? At the end of the day, I can get up and walk out. The minute you touch me,
You're gonna go to jail.
The minute you touch me, you're going to put me in jail, and you'll be sued. And you will not be a cop anymore. I will leave. Don't tell me I'm causing you a disturbance. I said
You're not leaving. You're under investigation.
No.
We're conducting an investigation.
Get away from me.
You can't go anywhere.
Get away
Do you need
from me.
medical attention?
I didn't do nothing. I did nothing. Kenneth, now!
She's there with the kids, but she's going to tell me how many.
Get the out of my face. I don't know what she called that.
Why?
We have to go.
Ma'am.
I would love to.
Can you
Tell
just
them
please
to
stand over
leave
there and talk to
alone.
me? Ma'am, why are you screaming? Okay. We're going to figure this out, but there's no need to scream. You understand? She's gone.
No.
We'll deal with her.
She said.
Listen,
She said just let her leave.
Ma'am, did I not ask you to please stand over there or something? We'll speak to you in a minute. Because if you're here, you're angering her. It just makes it harder for us, okay?
And then she wants
So can you please wait over there somewhere? We'll come speak to you after. Yes or no? Because you're really not helping.
And to be, I'm the one who told her.
Okay, so we'll speak to you after. But right now, you being here is making our job harder.
And I'm going to be leaving.
That's-
You can handle her, so I'm not going to.
We get your information. We'll come to your office.
I need to go home. And she said, I make a mistake and I called the cops. But I shouldn't have. Because I should have just let you just go home.
What's your name?
You don't have any.
Well, you're not. You can't go anywhere.
Get a warrant.
We don't need a warrant.
Dude, you look like you're from a fucking weird ass movie.
Okay.
Get away
So,
from me.
what's your name?
You don't need it.
Yeah, actually, we do because you're part of the investigation right now. So you are required.
Investigation of what? Investigation of what?
Why are you screaming?
Get a warrant. Bring it.
I don't need a warrant. Okay. We have multiple witnesses saying that some children
Multiple
were being-
witnesses. Shut the fuck up, dude. I know my rights.
No, you don't.
I know my rights.
All right, this is how it's going to go.
Leave me alone.
You need to
Leave me
identify yourself.
alone.
Is that right?
I want you to leave me alone. Do that.
That's not going to happen until we get to the bottom of what happened today.
Listen,
I'm listening.
Mr. I'm 5'1". Get the fuck away from me.
I'm not going anywhere.
The officer is managing two things simultaneously. The investigation outside where something happened with the children in the pool, and the woman inside who says she did nothing and is leaving. She is not leaving. She is part of the investigation. Officers have multiple witnesses and video. Florida law does not require a warrant to detain someone during an active investigation when there is reasonable suspicion they were involved in the incident being investigated. She keeps saying, get a warrant. That is not the standard for a detention. That is the standard for a search. She gives the officer her name at first, then takes it back. She threatens to sue. She tells him he will not be a cop anymore. She says the minute he talks to her, he is going to jail. None of that is a legal argument. It is noise, and the investigation continues around it.
She was good first. There is a witness who has a video. Apparently, like, she threw the kids in the pool, and they said she's all being erratic. There's about 20 different witnesses out there. So,
Ma'am.
Get a warrant.
Hold on.
Get a warrant. Get a warrant.
Okay. All right, you're not free to leave. Come here.
Don't touch me.
Stop.
Don't touch me.
Stop. You're going to get resisting. Face that way.
I'm not resisting
hands on
anything.
your back.
No.
Hand me the phone.
Get off me.
All right. Relax.
We're not going that way.
Relax.
Okay?
Okay.
Relax.
Let's just stop. Let's stop. Let's stop. Let's stop.
Put your hand.
Too late for that.
Just stop.
This is what's going to happen. They're going to detain you because we have.
I didn't do
We
anything.
need to do our investigation. They're going to.
Then
Stop resisting.
That's me.
What is your problem?
No.
Go ahead.
Yep.
Nope.
Yep.
Nope.
It's too late for that. Stop resisting.
Fuck off me.
Okay. Let's go. We're going down the stairs.
I didn't do anything.
Yeah, you did. Walk. We'll carry you. Walk.
Get off. Get. You fucking stupid ass, dumbass. I'll kill you.
Listen to me. Listen to me.
I'll kill you.
Sit her down. Sit her down. Sit her down.
You're hurting me. I'll kill you.
Listen to
Take
me.
it off.
Put her feet
I'll
down.
take. You know what?
Put her feet down.
Take it off.
Ma'am?
You?
We are trying to do an investigation.
Nah, dude.
You're not allowing us to do that. We need you to come.
I need a dog like this.
No, no. Take it off.
Do it now?
If you want to do an investigation, take it off.
You haven't allowed us
Because
to
this
do
is an
that.
investigation. Because I'm gonna call my attorney.
Okay, that's fine.
I
That's
didn't do
fine.
anything. No,
We're gonna head
let them take it
outside.
off. Tell them to take
gonna
it
step
off.
outside.
Take it off. Bitch, because you didn't do nothing. Take it off. Now. Take it off.
Stand up. Ready? 3, 2, 1.
I said take it off.
I'm not taking them off, man. We're gonna go outside. Don't kick me.
We're not going down.
Let me grab that. Let me grab that.
Got the other leg. We're going to carry her.
Nah, you ain't carrying shit. Now it's a man.
Here, grab that leg.
Nope.
Yep.
You go.
You guys want to grab
Yes,
an
what
arm?
you do.
Grab the other.
Yep. Got it?
Don't touch me. My fucking baby is here. Stop. The way you just abuse me, you're about to get fucking. I'm gonna sue. Take these off for a second, and I'll go with you. Take them off, and I'll go with you. Take them off. Take it off, and I'll go with you. Take it off. Take it off. Take it off, and give me 2 seconds. Nah.
You're gonna sit in the car and
You're gonna
relax.
shut your fucking mouth.
Why are you grabbing me? What are you doing? You're already getting a charge for resisting
Asking
arrest.
you-
Stop.
Don't touch me.
What else are we? What are we doing right
You're hurting me.
We're not doing anything.
I'm asking you to let. No, you're not.
Gotta put you. That's all we.
Listen.
Right now.
Look at me.
worry about
You look at me.
What? We're trying to work with you. You're not listening.
Look.
You're going to stand up.
Ready?
We're gonna just
Nah.
stand up.
Stand up.
She's gonna be the vehicle.
Nope.
You go ahead and.
I'm gonna help you.
No, I need to
I want to
get.
work with you, but you're not helping.
So help me.
Watch your leg with blood.
Yep.
You need to sit in the car and we can work on that.
You're gonna sit down.
Get
Sit up on the
away
seat.
from me.
Sit on the seat and we can work on it. You're not getting out. You're not
I'm
getting
going
out.
to fucking hit you.
No, you're
you
not.
fucking
No, you're not.
dumbass
Recorded.
piece of shit.
Go ahead. Yep.
Don't touch me, dude. Don't touch me. Don't touch me.
You got her.
Nah, he ain't got shit.
Yep. Sit in the car.
I want to talk to this.
I will
this
talk
guy.
to you.
No.
You sit down.
No, I didn't do anything.
Slide your other leg in the car.
Dude, I'll break my fucking arm before I let.
Slide your leg in the car now.
Nope.
Slide your leg in the car.
Fuck you.
You already grabbed an extra charge. Keep going.
Go be.
Okay.
Go.
Okay. Okay. It's all video.
Go fucking
You
lose.
got all these people around you.
Lose. Bitch, lose. I didn't do anything. You realize you're going to get sued, right?
Yeah, we're gonna have to.
You got the license.
You do realize you're getting sued, dude. You can uncuff me?
You're not
Or
getting
you
cuffed.
can hear from my lawyer.
You're not getting
telling me to
uncuffed.
sue the f- out of you.
You're not getting uncuffed.
Uncuff me.
No.
You know. You know you should. Uncuff me now. Now.
You know you should.
Sit in the car.
You realize guys, I'm gonna sue you guys. I didn't do nothing.
All right, that's what we're trying to find out. You gonna sit down for me?
I didn't hurt anybody. I'm not under arrest. Take it off. Kieran! Take it off. I'm not under arrest. I'm not under arrest. I didn't do anything. Take it off now.
Man, can I explain something to you? The faster that you get in the car...
I'm not getting in the car.
You're gonna get in the car.
You don't have reason to arrest me.
You do at this point.
Officers confirm the allegation. Video shows her throwing children in the pool while heavily intoxicated. About 20 witnesses on scene. She is detained and immediately resists. Officers try to walk her outside. She kicks. She refuses to get in the car. She says she will break her own arm before she lets them put her in. She tells them to uncuff her and she will go willingly. They take the cuffs off momentarily. She does not go willingly. The resisting charge is building in real time. Under Florida statute 843.01 and 843.02, resisting with violence is a felony and resisting without violence is a misdemeanor. Every kick pushes toward the felony threshold. Every refusal to comply adds to the misdemeanor count. The officer tells her she already has a charge for resisting arrest. Keep going, and she gets another one. She keeps going.
Get the f off me. Get off me.
I need another hand here, Anducci.
Nah, dude. Get the f away from me.
I need another hand. She's like a...
Nope. Get the...
Yo, she's trying to bite me.
The f You're a f***ing dumbass. Yeah, you think that's funny? Get off me. Get the f Wanna play?
Don't fight him. Do not fight.
Touch me again. Touch me again. Touch me again.
Keep her head back.
Nope. Why couldn't you just help me? Why do you have to be a piece of shit, dude?
Yeah, no.
Get off of me. Get off me now! Get off of me! Hey, guess what? Don't touch me.
Don't open your mouth like you're gonna bite then.
Get off me. Nope.
Go and grab the hobble.
I think you had it out already.
Get away from
have the hobble.
me. Show me the reason you're arresting me.
You're being arrested for disorderly intoxication. Okay?
Yeah, okay.
You're going to be going to jail.
Get the out.
Sarge.
You're gonna ruin my life? You? Don't touch me. I got him on cam saying, oh, f me, and I won't f do it. Get the f out of here. The f Get out of here! Get off of me, dude. Get off me! Get out, and I'll let him do it. Nah. To me, why are you doing this? Why? Nah, man. You're a fucking loser. Get the fuck away from me, dude. Get away from me.
The feet are in.
Get up. Get up. Get off me! Now, rapist! Nah, dude. The Dude, you're hurting me so bad! Get me out! Get off the care! Call someone else! Call someone else! You're hurting me so bad! Officer, you gotta do something! My wrist is bleeding out! I'm bleeding out! I'm beating myself! I'm bleeding out! Get someone else! Officer, get someone else now. Not him. No. Dude, when I call the lawyer, you're gonna be the ones to lose. Hey, take it off my head. Nope.
You wanna do it like that, Sarge?
Watch me.
Son,
You wanna
this
be
would
you?
have been a benefit of having a full page.
Watch.
She's going to be transported.
Okay.
Got any blood on you?
Yeah.
That's before she bit you?
Yeah.
All right.
No broken skin.
Battery?
No broken skin, but it's still battery legal.
All right.
She tries to bite an officer. No broken skin. The officer confirms it on camera. But under Florida law, battery does not require injury. It requires intentional contact or the attempt to make harmful or offensive contact. A bite attempt is battery on a law enforcement officer, regardless of whether teeth break skin. The officer documents it correctly and immediately. She says she is bleeding out. Her wrist has a scrape. Officers document it. She says to send someone else. She says the lawyer will sort it all out. She says they are going to lose. In her hotel room, officers find approximately 10 empty twisted tea cans and a partially full bottle of liquor. She was charged with battery on a law enforcement officer, resisting with violence, resisting without violence, and disorderly intoxication. Her children were safely located and released to appropriate guardians. The resisting without violence charge was later dropped. The remaining charges were resolved through pre-trial diversion, a program that allows eligible defendants to complete court-supervised conditions in exchange for avoiding a conviction. She completed the program. She did not get a conviction. Her children got home safely. That is the part that actually mattered. Nothing in this video is legal advice. We are not practicing attorneys. All commentary is for education, awareness, and accountability. This is proof on record.